प्रॉपर्टी व्यवहारात फसवणूक आणि बनावट कागदपत्रांचो वापर केल्याच्या आरोपासंबंधान अटक केल्ल्या तारक आरोलकराक पुलीस पंखण आनीक 2 दीस वाडयला। 19 ऑगस्टाक गुन्ह्या फाट्यान ताका अटक केल्ली आणि ह्या प्रकरणाची फुडली चौकशी सुरू आसा।
आज रिमांडा खातीर हाडलो ताका 7 days कंप्लीट जाले आणि आता कोर्ट हॅज ग्रांटेड फर्दर 2 days ऑफ पुलिस कस्टडी and there was a vehement opposition from the other side, but the court has considered all the parameters on which that custodial interrogation is very important in this specific matter. And bail application arguments are going to happen subsequently now. The matter is kept back. We require utmost amount of investigation in this is because it is also connected to land grabbing syndicate matter. The property which was sold to us or the part consideration which was accepted, amka je represent kelle, is a property which is already a part of SIT. And SIT, as all of us know, is a very large syndicate considering many factors and many people. So, त्या consideration and त्या perspective, and we would demand maximum amount of diligence which is required in investigation to come to its logical conclusion.